Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a bit of a special video for you guys. Today we are going to be racing a very fast, especially for Indonesia, very fast track car. Well, with the power of editing, let's teleport right to the place. So here we are at the place now. You can barely see the STi. Yeah, so let me show you the car that I'm gonna be going up against. So this is a Evo 4G63 swap Galant, and it is, as you can see, fully gutted with a massive roll cage in it. It even has like 2 fuel pumps right there, very loud, and the aluminium fuel tank right over there. And on 98 octane, it makes about north of 350 wheel horsepower. But if it is filled up with racing fuel, VP, it can produce about 490 wheel horsepower. So yeah, this should be a pretty tough challenge for the STi, which on the dyno makes about 310 wheel horsepower, and with this heat it's probably not gonna make that much. So yeah, let's just without much hassle, let's get right to the race. Okay guys, so now we are about to go onto the highway, so we can try and test this car against that Evo swap Galant, because obviously these cars are very high power for Indonesian roads, so it'll be much safer to do this test on the highways, because we're definitely going to be reaching very high speeds that I will not disclose. But yeah, now let's go right to the place where we're gonna do the test. Okay, so we've just entered the toll booth, so let's get right to the test. Although I'm not too confident that I will be able to win, considering how much power that thing makes, and it's probably lighter than the STi, because you know it has a fully gutted interior. This has full interior, sound deadening, a subwoofer, so I'm not too confident, but hey, let's try and see how this goes. The thing's very loud. It's straight pipe right from the turbo. Yeah, it's very loud. God damn, that thing is fast. I guess we won out on the starting, because that thing has a lot of turbo life with the turbo of that size. Alright, here's another one. it's doing. Yeah, this thing doesn't compare to that. Considering this is actually on the stock turbo, stock rod, stock fuel system, there's no way it's gonna beat that. Although I'm surprised that we managed to hold hold the Galant back for as long as we did on the first run. So we've stopped at a rest area for now. As you can see, the EvoSwap Galant was a lot faster than the STi, but yeah, that makes sense. It has a lot more power, and the STi is on stock turbo, stock injectors. So I'm not really too surprised that the Galant was that much faster. And this is still on 98 octane. This isn't even with the APRacing fuel yet. So who knows how fast it'll be with that. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please do subscribe. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.